Wayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the IBM Selectric 3 right here. And I just had a customer call today, wanting to get a ribbon for their Selectric 3. I had to explain to them that they take a couple different ribbons. Get this camera straightened out here. So most Selectric 2s take this cartridge right here. And a lot of Selectric 3s take this cartridge right here. But some Selectric 3s use this cartridge right here. This cartridge is different. It looks about the same, but this ribbon has arms that are attached to the ribbon cartridge right there, whereas this one doesn't. And so this one is called a 210 ribbon or bicycle ribbon, and there are no arms attached to the machine. There's no lift arms attached here like there are in Selectric 2s. Everything else is about the same, except maybe this piece, a piece is missing right here. So this ribbon and the correction ribbon are the same on both Selectric 2s and 3s, all of them. They all take the same correction ribbon. So that's no trouble. But this cartridge without the arms will not fit on this machine. It may seem like it fits because it goes on like this, but there's nowhere to attach the ribbon here. There's nowhere to attach it. It's just gonna, there's nothing you can do with it. It's got to have that cartridge with the ribbons attached, with the arms attached to the ribbon. So let's put it on. All you got to do with this one is you don't have to feed it through the arms. It's already pre-fed through the arms. You just stick it on, push it down, close the lever, and away you go. So it's a little simpler to put in. And away you go. These Selectric 2s, you had to feed the ribbon through the arms up here, but since this one is part of the typewriter, you don't have to do that. You just drop it in, and if everything goes right, away it goes. Just thought I would show that little demo. The difference between some of the Selectric 3s have this ribbon, some of them have the standard Selectric 2 ribbon. Alright. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.